Assalamualaikum and welcome back to Marvish Cuisine. If you are planning to make something with your kids over this winter break, these Oreo peanut butter bars are perfect. It has Oreo crust with smooth, silky peanut butter mousse and topped with lot of Oreo chunks. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start our recipe. Bismillah. First we'll make our crust. For that I am putting this bowl of butter in the microwave to melt it so it will cool down a bit. Preparing our pan, I'm taking 8 by 8 inch pan and lining up with some parchment paper. Now we need altogether 36 Oreo cookies for this recipe. Right now we are taking out 18 cookies and we will transfer these all 18 cookies into the food processor bowl and put 12 Oreo cookies on the side. For all those remaining 12 Oreo cookies, what we need to do is we need to take the cream filling out from all these 12 cookies, taking 2 bowl and a butter knife, and then take the cream out and transfer it onto one bowl, and the remaining cookies goes onto the other bowl, trying to catch as few crumbs as possible. Now put the bowl with the cream in there on the side, and the cookies without the cream goes into our food processor bowl. Start processing until you have a fine Oreo crumbs. Then pour in the melted butter and then start mixing again until you have a butter Oreo mixture, and then transfer that buttery Oreo crumb mixture onto your prepared pan. With the help of spatula, just spread it evenly, or take a cup, a measuring cup, and then with the back of that cup just flatten the top. Then put this prepared crust into the fridge until we prepare our peanut butter filling. For that I'm taking a large mixing bowl, adding that cream filling which we took out from Oreo with a softened cream cheese, and start mixing with the hand mixture until it's mixed through and little fluffy. Adding creamy sweetened peanut butter in there. Now make sure you are using sweetened, otherwise it will change the taste of your peanut butter bars. Mix again on a medium speed until everything is mixed through. Now adding heavy whipping cream and start mixing again until everything is mixed through and creamy and smooth. It's not always the easiest or cleanest to work with kids, but it's always fun and worth the mess. As you can see, the mixture is smooth and creamy. Now take the crust out from the fridge and transfer all this mousse filling onto the prepared crust, and then smooth the top with the help of spatula, or you can make any swirly design, whatever you guys like. Then take the remaining 6 Oreo cookies and break them into different sizes, or crumble them, crush them, just crumble them on top of your prepared pan. Then take the plastic wrap and cover it nicely and put it in the fridge for at least 4 to 6 hours, or overnight is preferred. So very next day when your bars are completely chilled, just take them out very carefully, lift them up with the help of parchment paper and cut them into bars. And this is how your no-bake Oreo crust peanut butter bars are ready to serve. They are equally enjoyed by kids and adults. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.